Download the code from codegive.com. Link in description. Mastering JavaScript quickly in 2023 requires a focused and structured approach. Start by building a solid foundation in the core concepts, including variables, data types, functions, and control structures. Utilize modern resources such as online courses, interactive tutorials, and coding bootcamps that emphasize hands-on practice. Engage with the JavaScript community through forums, social media, and local meetups to gain insights and support. Practice is essential work on small projects or challenges to reinforce your understanding. Familiarize yourself with popular frameworks and libraries like React or Node.js to expand your skill set. Leverage documentation and resources, such as web docs, to deepen your knowledge of advanced topics like asynchronous programming and APIs. Lastly, set specific goals, track your progress, and consistently dedicate time to learning. By immersing yourself in the language and applying your skills in real-world scenarios, you can accelerate your JavaScript mastery effectively. You can